Grand awakening, Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Check out Book a Massage with Me. Check out the ebooks, the NFTs, even the music. Great products are there. Your word of the day is the divine light. You are the world's greatest teacher, and your people, the rest of the world, are your assembly. We are your students, and we're ready to hear and ready for your lesson right now. What are you going to enlighten us about? You're the divine light, the lighthouse. Therefore, everyone is coming to you for safety, for information, because you are in your gift. You are in your strength. So everyone, as we are attracted to you, understand, be your best version and be ready to help. It's time to spring into action. It's not about just learning and developing and evolving. You have. Now it's time to translate it. Now it's time to speak to your people. I am the expression of love. I shine like the sun. The inner light is my strength and my treasure. My intuition guides me to discover the wonder and goodness of who I am, the greatness of who you are and what you bring to the world. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.